Hello, can you hear me, Ma? I hope you hear me. Okay, so I'm just actually going through a lot right now, so that's why it took me a while to get committed to this. So I'm really sorry. I know you have been trying to reach me for the past while, but today I decided to sit down with it. Okay, so yeah, let us begin slowly. And yeah, it took me a while to register this, and now I've made a firm decision that I'm committing to this. Okay, and it was a lot for me to take this decision. Okay, so I sincerely hope even you follow through. Okay, the reason this is a test run is I'm recording 1080p. I don't know how much data this will take. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I'll try uploading it to YouTube. Okay, so you mentioned to me a couple of chapters. If I write, I'll read them out right now. So you wanted me to teach you basically solid state solutions, P block, haloalkene, haloarine, alcohol, phenol, ether, and biomolecule first. Okay, within the next few months. So first we will break it down into parts. Okay, rather than diving whole into it, it gets more dry and slow. So we'll go part by part. Okay, पहले P block करेंगे, उसके बाद biomolecule का basics, उसके बाद solids का basic revision. This is something that I taught you, so it won't take a lot of time. Okay, so we are breaking down into parts, and today we look at P block. Okay, P block थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा chapter है. Okay, it's like it is a really big chapter and it has a lot of data in it. Okay, so the more committed you are, the easier it will be, and I'll give it to you in the easiest way possible. Okay, so let's start from beginning. Okay, so this is how a periodic table looks like. I'm pretty sure you know it, and the thing that I've highlighted, this is the P block. Okay, uh, from element 1113 to 118, it is basically not needed for you. I don't think even this row will come 81, 83, 84, not that much, but it's better to know. Okay, तो दिस इज पी ब्लॉक. ओके, इसका ऑर्डर रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा. Okay, and that is the most simplest thing to learn in this whole chapter, the order of elements in P block. Okay, because they will ask you to compare properties, and if you know everything, right, and if you know the correct order, then it will be child's play. And I'm not giving you this and asking you to learn on your own. That will be really hard. I'll make it more easier for you. As you can see, I have highlighted in orange, this is the element atomic number. Okay, and ऊपर ग्रे में जो मैं whatever I've circled it, जो मैंने circle किया, that is known as the group name. Okay, so basically P block consists from group 13 to group 18. Okay, okay, so first we'll start with the order. याद करना पड़ेगा. Okay, first we are looking at the most basic thing possible, that is the order. Let us start from group 13, which is also known as boron family. Okay, I will give you shortcuts. You try to remember this, then the rest will be easy. Okay, now I'm reading it out. Big Alfred gave in titanium. Big Alfred gave in titanium. Okay, now look at the first two letters of each and every word. Big Alfred gave in titanium. Big, boron. Alfred, aluminium. Gave, gallium. In, indium. Ti, titanium. Okay, so this is how you are going to remember each and every group. It's really easy, right? It's an easy sentence. Big Alfred gave in titanium. You can easily remember it. You're a smart girl also. Okay, so this is how we are going to write it. Uske baad, then he'll ask me, sir, now how do I remember this number 5, 13, 31? Sir, this is very confusing, sir, I can't do it. Okay, I'm pretty sure you know elements from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. तो तुझे पता ही चलेगा कि बोरॉन का 5. You can literally count out with your hand and you know that boron is 5. Okay, उससे +8 ऐड करो, एल्यूमिनियम का एटॉमिक नंबर मिल जाएगा 13. उससे +18 ऐड करो, you will get gallium's atomic number 31. Okay, again add +18, you get indium's atomic number 49. Then finally at 32 you get titanium's atomic number 81. So just remembering boron is enough. Uske baad you know that I have to add 8 first, then 18, 18, then 32. You can get all the other atomic numbers easily. Okay, don't think a lot about this. I want you to remember the order first and remember the atomic number of the first element, that is boron. 5 over here. Remember this 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, plus plus, you'll get it the more we proceed. Okay, and then this group has a general configuration NS2NP1. Okay, I'm pretty sure you didn't learn chemical bonding in 11th. Okay, so if I dig deep into this, it will consume a lot of time. Just remember this NS2NP1 कौन से group का होगा? The first one, boron group. Okay, general configuration. Just remember this. Now we go to group 14, that is carbon family. Okay, इसके लिए cute sisters gently snuck pebbles. क्यूट में से कार्बन आ जाएगा, सिस्टर्स Si सिलिकॉन, Ge जर्मेनियम, Sn tin, Pb lead. Okay, now you might be asking, sir, Sn और tin में कोई लिंक ही नहीं है, how can I remember Pb and lead also? Sn stands for tin in the table, you must know this, and Pb stands for lead. Okay, तो याद करो, Sn means tin and Pb means lead. Cute sisters gently snuck pebbles. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. The same thing. General electronic configuration is Ns2 Np2. Okay, now from carbon we are carbon's atomic number is 6. You know this. Okay, then plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 32. It's really easy. If you don't understand this, ask me, I'll explain you again. Okay, now let's look at nitrogen family, that is group 15. इसके लिए new pole is assigned subordinate BIF. New say N nitrogen, police say P phosphorus, assigned say AS arsenic, subordinate say SB antimony. Again this is another anomaly, you must remember SB means antimony. Then BI say BIF से BI में bismuth आ जाएगा. Okay, bismuth, किस्मत नहीं bismuth. Okay, now again N7PASSB BI. Okay, the same thing. You know nitrogen is 7 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 32, and the general electronic configuration this time is Ns2Np3. Okay, you must note all this down. If you look at it, right, देखो here it's Ns2Np1, then it becomes Ns2Np2, then it becomes Ns2Np3. Okay, then when we go to oxygen family, okay, this is a little bit weird, way to remember it. हिंदी आ जाएगा, ओ सस्ते में पोलो लाना, ओ स से ते, सस्ते, SSCTE, ओ सस्ते में पोलो लाना. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, just remember the first four basically. I mean, remember the whole thing, it is pretty important. Okay, so yep. ओ सस्ते में पोलो लाना, OSSCTEPO. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, again 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 32. Oxygen family के लिए Ns2Np4. Halogens से तुझे पता ही होगा, you must have heard of it a lot of times, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, indium. Okay, I mean, sorry, AT is not Atlanta, it stands for something else. Okay, but it won't be that much relevant. First class biryani in Atlanta. Okay, this is the way to remember it. Okay, again 9 plus 8 stands for 17. Okay, 17 plus 18 is 35, 53, 32. Don't remember these numbers, just remember the technique, so it will be very easy for you. Learn it conceptually. Then we have group 18, which is noble inert gas. Okay, what all things come here? Okay, in under inert gases, look ma, inert gases generate, right? We have to remember always. So if we can just ratta this group, it's easy. You know helium, neon to mujhe pata hai. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Just try telling it 5 times. Okay, there will be easier way to remember this. If you are finding it tough, I'll give you something. उसके बाद the same thing. Helium का 2, okay, neon का 10. Okay, over here neon से count करना शुरू कर दो. Neon से plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 32. Okay, don't do from here, you will get confused. Neon से शुरू करो, because if you look up, right, let's go up. देखो हीलियम तो ऊपर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना, इसलिए यहाँ पर 2 बार प्लस 8 आ जाएगा. प्लस 8 प्लस 8, इधर से प्लस 18 प्लस 18 प्लस 32. ओके, सिर्फ इस ग्रुप, सिर्फ नोबल ग्रुप के लिए, क्योंकि हीलियम एक अलग सा ऊपर चिपका हुआ है. ओके, सो या लेट्स सी हाउ दिस फॉर्मेट गोस. आई एम सॉरी फॉर ड्रैगिंग दिस आउट. Just it took me a while emotionally to settle into this, because I wanted to commit myself fully and see results in you also. So I'm sorry, it wasn't negligence, I'm just in a tough spot. I hope you understand. Okay, tell me the quality of this class, share me the feedback. Were you able to understand everything? So thing is, my hostel, my college hostel is in a remote area. उधर cell phone tower उतना अच्छा नहीं मिलता. I have to apply for the hostel Wi-Fi. The process will take about 2 days. Okay, अगर hostel Wi-Fi मिल गया, then I can sit in the lobby and I can take classes for you. The speed is around 10 Mbps. If I'm teaching from my cell phone carrier, then it's kind of messed up. Okay, so just for time being, let's see what happens. Okay, tell me how this class was. Thank you, ma.